Hey guys, what's up? Cool, fantastic. I'm Kashish and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn about disaster management that is given as the project work for class 9. So let's get started our video. Here we have a question is that what is disaster? A disaster is a serious problem occurring over a short or long period of time that causes widespread human, material, economic, or environmental loss which exist the ability of the affected community or society to cope using its own resources. There are mainly two types of disasters: natural disasters and human made disasters. Firstly, natural disasters. Natural disasters are catastrophic that measure from any of the Earth's natural phenomena. These can range from floods and hurricanes to tsunamis and earthquakes. The Earth, over its 4.5 billion year history, has seen many natural disasters. Now, human made disasters. Human induced disasters are very dangerous, catastrophic, caused by humans. Chemical spills, hazardous material spills, and explosive chemical or biological attacks, nuclear blast, rail accidents, airline crashes, or groundwater poisoning are all instances of man-made disasters. Here are some pictures of natural disasters and human-made disasters. Now, what is disaster management or disaster management cycle? Disaster management is a process of effectively preparing for and responding to disasters. It involves strategically organizing resources to lessen the harm that disasters cause. It also involves a systematic approach to managing the responsibilities of disaster. It includes prevention, preparedness, response, and recovery. Prevention or migration. Prevention is to ensure that human action or natural phenomena do not result in a disaster or emergency. Primary prevention is to reduce, avoid the risk of event occurring by getting rid of the hazard or vulnerability, example, to avoid overcrowding, deforestation, and to provide services. Preparedness. Disaster preparedness consists of a set of measures undertaken by governments, organizations, communities, or individuals to better respond and cope with the immediate aftermath of a disaster, whether it be human-made or caused by natural hazards. Response. Response encompasses the decisions and actions taken to deal with the immediate effects of an emergency. In many scenarios, it is likely to be relatively short and to last for a matter of hours or days. Rapid implementation of arrangements for collaboration, coordination, and communication are therefore vital. Recovery. Disaster recovery is an organization's method of regaining access and functionality to its IT infrastructure after events like a natural disaster, cyber attack, or even business disruptions related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the conclusion is that this is a plan that outlines what hazards your business is at the risk of facing, what you can do to avoid or manage them, and how to get your business back up and running should a disaster strike. The conclusion of your disaster management plan reiterates the salient points and provides actionable takeaways. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.